Hi, I'm Dr. Sebastian from Target Teach Tutors. I am going to give a brief theoretical information about photosynthesis. It covers the salient information for the exam purposes. Photosynthesis is a chemical process that occurs only in green plants and algae. Glucose produced in the leaves and is converted and stored in the form of starch, fruits, nuts, seeds, oils, and more. These food stores are consumed by animals. Therefore, plants are the producers in the food chain. How glucose is produced by the plants? Glucose is produced from the freely available natural resources such as carbon dioxide, water, and energy from the sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is present in green plants. We will see the reaction that occurs in photosynthesis. The reaction can be written in two forms. One is word equation and other one is symbolic equation. The word equation is carbon dioxide plus water plus energy gives rise to glucose plus oxygen. As usual, the word equation does not give precise information about a reaction. Now we look into the symbolic equation for photosynthesis. It is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy produces C6H12O6 plus 6O2. This equation is already balanced. It gives a lot of information about a reaction, unlike word equation. In the exam, you may be asked to write either word or symbolic equation or both. If the symbolic equation is asked, it has to be balanced. In some questions in the exam, you may be asked to select one of the equations from the list given. For photosynthesis, energy is given by the sun. The energy from the light is absorbed into the newly formed bonds in the glucose molecules. Thereby, the reaction is called endothermic reaction. You have to remember that this reaction is just opposite to respiration. To have a better understanding of photosynthesis, the knowledge of the structure of a leaf is mandatory. The diagram shows the cross-section of a leaf. A leaf is usually a thin in structure. The upper part of a leaf is the waxy cuticle that covers the upper epidermis. It is a form of adaptation for leaves to prevent transpiration. Second layer is palisade cells. They are nicely arranged in columns and contain lot of green dots. The green dots are green pigments and they are known as chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll has an ability to absorb light energy effectively for photosynthesis. Palisade cells with chlorophylls are found mostly in the upper part of the leaf is another form of adaptation for photosynthesis. The upper surface of a leaf is greatly exposed to the sun to absorb light energy. The question is about this has already been presented in the YouTube video in the questions and answers of higher tier biology. The third layer is spongy mesophyll. The cells are arranged very sparsely. This is another form of adaptation for a leaf for easier gas exchange. That means supply of carbon dioxide and elimination of oxygen by diffusion. This occurs during photosynthesis. The bottom layer contains guard cells that control the movement of gases into and out according to the weather conditions. The rate of photosynthesis increases with the intensity of the light and decreases towards night. Pondweed is used to experiment the rate of photosynthesis from the number of bubbles released when the intensity of the light changes. Water need for photosynthesis is absorbed by osmosis from the soil by the root hair cells. Products of photosynthesis are glucose and oxygen. A portion of glucose produced from the photosynthesis is used for respiration and some for formation of plant structure such as cellulose and proteins, and fructose and the rest will be stored as starch or oils. This is the end of the topic about photosynthesis. Thanks for watching this concise discussion of photosynthesis from Target Teach Tutors. I hope that this helps you with your revision. Follow us on YouTube videos for more discussion of topics. Please like this page, share with your friends and leave a comment so we know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye now.